User testing just released a great feature for all you designers out there or anyone who's testing secure prototypes. Let's take a look. Once you're inside the test builder in either an interaction test or the brand new beta Think Out Loud experience, all you have to do is go over, click Add, click a Figma task. You will see here the options to connect your prototype, and then over here, you will see this new option for password protected prototypes. So what did we do before? We'd have to instruct the participants to type in the password to access our secure prototypes. But that meant that we had to share the password in the test. And then probably right after the test is over, go and change credentials. It was a big to do. You don't have to do that anymore. You just toggle this little switch on. There is your option to paste in the password for the prototype, and then it will be automatically passed to Figma when that prototype is accessed through user testing. So no one's going to see the password anymore other than the person who built the test. It is super convenient, makes things a lot more secure. So just a short one this week, but super powerful, super exciting new features continue to be rolled out from user testing.